Earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals with online surveys. Discover top legitimate survey sites such as Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, FreeCash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashKick, and Opinion Outpost. Each site offers different availability, age requirements, and payment methods. When selecting survey sites, consider factors like reputation, survey frequency, and payout methods. Maximize your earnings by completing profiles, leveraging free offers, and prioritizing high-paying surveys. Follow best practices like creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software. Watch out for warning signs of potentially illegitimate survey sites such as membership fees, lack of reviews, and requests for private information. Rest assured, surveys for money are legitimate and typically take 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Some sites even offer instant cash or signing bonus points. Participate now and help companies gather valuable market research and consumer feedback.